So, you downloaded and installed VS Code. You're halfway there. The next question is, how do you start a project or change projects? Let's show you that today. In your command prompt, you can go to your project directory. Mine's on my desktop in a Git folder. dir. See, there's all my fancy stuff I've done. Okay, if I want to make a directory, start a new project, something like that, mkdir, and then whatever you want to name it. We'll do YouTube. Okay, now you can cd into YouTube, dir. So there's nothing in there. Say for some reason you want to change that folder. Back out of there, you can go to rmdir for remove directory, YouTube. And you see YouTube's gone again. But let's go ahead and make it and go on into it. Code space dot is how you open VS Code in a directory, whatever directory you're in. Okay, there it is. Nice fresh project ready to be tore up. Let's just do index.html. Okay, now we're going to go and just close that. Once it was made, we don't need it. Okay, you can see that index.html is in that folder. cd dot dot, we can go up a directory, dir. There's a YouTube folder. Say it was just a throwaway project. Something happened, you gotta delete it. Now that there's something in that directory, you can't just use mkdir. You have to use mkdir /s YouTube. Yes, I want to delete it. Now we'll do a dir. YouTube's gone again. So remember, if it's an empty directory, you can just use rmdir. If it's a directory with something in it, it's rmdir /s and then the directory name. But that's it. Super simple to open up a project. All you have to do, just cd the project name. If I could spell. And then code space period. And now I'm in that directory. It was that easy. So there you go. I hope that helps everybody out. I know there's been a lot of people having problems with how to change projects and directories, and a lot of people are scared of the command prompt, or they just feel like it's harder to use, but it definitely is a lot easier to use. Well worth the time to learn as much as you can about the command prompt. And I hope this helps you guys out. Thanks for watching.